everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Isa, and today we are going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing. Bit of a tongue twister. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's just open her up. I'm just going to use this little thingy and just... that was a bit aggressive. So I'm going to show you what's inside first. And then, all right. Woo! I see a lot of stuff. Lots and lots of stuff. We've got the card. We don't want that yet. Ooh. All right. So the first thing that I see that I really want to get my hands on is this Cover Effects blurring primer. So I'm super excited to try that. Oh, she's very much sealed. And the next thing I see is, ooh, it's a lip color. It is by Han Skincare Cosmetics, an all-natural lip gloss with antioxidants and vitamins. Ooh la la. I am not a fan of lip gloss. They're sticky, they get everywhere, and I'm just not that big of a fan. I have a few lip glosses that I like, but I'm like super picky about them. Ooh, smells really good. Kind of smells like vanilla. Vanilla? It's got like a sweet vanilla smell. I do like the color. So let's give her a swatch. Doesn't seem too sticky. Consistency's not that bad. Hella pigmented, that's for sure. So that is the color. And I really like that. I'm gonna just wipe this off because I do not want to have sticky hands. I'm good. But I'll give it a try and see how I like it. I'm always down to try a new thing. And the next thing that is for sure calling my name because it looks very interesting. Ooh, that's heavy. That is what's making the box extremely heavy. Okay, and this is a pretty vulgar, it's a gel eyeliner and it's called The Ink. It looks really, really cool. It kind of reminds me of like the old-fashioned ink pots you kind of like dip in and, you know, well, not do eyeliner, you dip in and you write a letter, but it's giving me that kind of like ink quill kind of thing that has like an old-fashioned quill on it and everything. I don't really use dipping pots for my eyeliner because I have extremely shaky hands, so it doesn't really work out for me that well. But I'll give it a shot, you know, who knows, maybe this will be the one that'll get it right. And then I see a huge kind of brush. Let's open. And who's this by? It is by Aesthetica. Oh my goodness.
Oh my bird.
This is like the softest brush I have ever felt in my entire life. Wow. That is really, really soft. Oh my goodness. She's a pretty fluffy brush. Oh my goodness. It's just so soft. I could just sit here and just, you know, brush across my face. Just, that's so nice. And then we have got another okay. Another set of brushes. We've got a spoolie for your eyebrows. Like it, like it. Also from Aesthetica. And then we have an eyeliner brush, so I can give the little paint pot a shot. And then we have an angled kind of brush. I like that. I use these to kind of like smudge the bottom usually, or the top when I don't want to wear eyeliner. So I like that. That's kind of cool. And then anything else we got? Ooh. It looks like we have some sort of palette. And that's the last thing in the box. We got that. We got that. And it is by Pure and it's Sculptor. Okay, so when I think Sculptor, I think it's probably like a contour thing. So let's see. Ooh, there are some very pretty highlighters. Look at that. Oh yeah. I like it. The contour colors do look a little dark for me. To be honest, I use like a lighter contour because I don't want like brown streaks across my face. You know what I mean? You guys know what I mean. But these highlights are beautiful. Look at that. Those are extremely pretty and just, let's do a little swipe on the arm. Oh man, they are quite buttery. They're very, very nice. I think honestly I would do the darker color than the lighter one, but I do like them and they diffuse kind of nicely. It's got a very shimma, but I like them. This is a very nice box. It's got a little bit of everything. Pretty much got your whole face. You got your primer, you got some lifts, you got some contour, some eyeliner, so you're good to go. But yeah, I like it. Let's check out them prices to see if we got the value of our box. So we got, the first thing we got is the Pure Sculptor palette, which was $30. Then we've got the Cover FX Blurring Prime, a whopping $38. Then we got the Pretty Vulgar, the Ink and Gel Eyeliner for $24. Then we've got the Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio for a hefty $45. Okay. Then we've got the face brush, also by Aesthetica, for $27. And then we've got the Han Skincare lip gloss for $15. So we definitely got our money's worth, for sure. But I liked everything. I think the thing that I'm most excited to try is the Blurring Primer by Cover FX. I only have like kind of like a liquid highlighter kind of thing from them, so I'm excited to try this. I've heard wonderful things from them. So I'll let you guys know how I feel about this bad boy. But that's all that I have for you guys. Well, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our little family and to click that little bell notification so that you know every time I upload, because you gotta click the bell to know. I'll be here absolutely every single Saturday and sometimes on Wednesdays. And as always, I love you guys very, very much. And until next time, bye!